Now we will come to the point ray diagrams. लेंस से रिलेटेड रे डायग्राम्स देखेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो दैट वी ड्रॉ हम रे डायग्राम क्यों ड्रॉ करते हैं. वी ड्रॉ रे डायग्राम टू लोकेट द इमेज कहाँ बन रहा है और रियल बन रहा है या वर्चुअल बन रहा है, इसके बारे में जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें रे डायग्राम से मिल जाता है. तो रे डायग्राम में, इन रे डायग्राम वी हैव 3 इम्पॉर्टेंट रेज. फर्स्ट रे, 3 इम्पॉर्टेंट रेज होती हैं. प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस की जो पैरेलल रेज होती हैं वो फोकस होकर जाती हैं. प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल ये रेज ये इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं, अपीयर टू इंटरसेक्ट एट फोकस. इंसिडेंट रे parallel to principal axis passes through or appear to diverge from focus. That is, incident rays parallel to principal axis passes through focus, either passes through focus or appear to diverge from focus. इस केस में, in this case, appear to diverge after refraction. Focus after refraction. Second ray, incident rays passing first focus और सिंपली फोकस भी कह सकते हैं. वी कैन से इज फोकस बिकॉज फॉर लेंसेज इन दिस कंडीशन व्हेन बोथ सरफेस, इस सरफेस किधर का मीडियम और इधर का मीडियम जब दोनों सेम होता है उस समय लेंस के दोनों फोकल लेंथ बराबर होते हैं, इक्वल होते हैं. इसे सिंपली फोकस भी कह सकते हैं. पासेस थ्रू फोकस becomes parallel to principal axis. Or incident rays appear to converge at focus, becomes parallel to principal axis, after refraction. This is second ray. Ray diagram for the second type of ray. This is first focus, or focus, simply focus. We will treat it as focus because when the media around both curved surfaces are equal, same medium, then focal lengths are equal. So after passing through this, it will become parallel to principal axis. And for concave lens, rays appear to converge to the focus. So this first focus or focus after refraction becomes parallel to principal axis. Third ray, rays passing through optical center becomes continue, optical center passes undeviated, बिना मुड़े हुए वो पास कर जाता है. ये थर्ड काइंड का रे है. Now ray diagrams for different position of objects. If object is at infinity, this is f, suppose this is 2f, then image formed will be at focus, very small size, image size is very small. When position of object at infinity, position of image at focus. Nature of image, real and inverted. Size very small, that is point sized, इसको point sized भी बोलते हैं. When object is at 2f, image is formed at 2f on the other side of the lens, position of object at 2f, means distance from the optical center is double of the focal length. Then position of image at 2f on other side. Nature of image real inverted. Size same size as object, same size. When position of object is between f and 2f. Image formed is beyond 2f, 2f से भी ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पे इमेज बनेगा 2f. पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट बिटवीन f and 2f, मीन्स यहाँ से यहाँ तक का ये डिस्टेंस f है, इट इज़ f. that is 2f. Position of image beyond 2f on other side. Nature of image real and inverted. And size enlarged, बड़ा इमेज बनता है. When object is at 2f focus, after refraction the rays becomes parallel, so they will meet at infinity. So image formed will be at infinity, real inverted, very large size. Position of object at f, position of image at infinity. Nature of image real inverted, real and inverted, or we can say it virtual and erect also, because in this way this also becomes infinity. Real inverted or virtual erect. Size very enlarged. Now when position of object is between optical center and focus, in this case the refracted will be, the distance between refracted ray will increasing on and on. But if we draw produce it backward, they appear to intersect at this point, so virtual image is formed. In this case position of object between O and F, position of image behind position of image is towards the side of object. And nature of image virtual erect. Size virtual erect. Size large, enlarged. In this case position of object is between infinity and 2f. Position of image between f and 2f on other side. Nature of image real inverted. Size smaller, or we can say it as a word diminished. छोटा इमेज बनता है.